What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. No, this is not green screen. I am actually currently away in Florida, and I figured, you know what, it's time to bring you what's on my S25 Ultra. Now, I've really been enjoying this phone as of late, and it is the only phone I've been carrying while out here in Orlando. I've literally been taking tons and tons of pictures just using this around the theme parks. Tomorrow I'm heading to Epic Universe, and there'll be plenty of pictures shared to Twitter, so make sure you head over to Twitter. There's a link in the description to check that out. Right now there is a privacy screen protector from ESR. We filmed that video not so long ago, and it's up here for you guys to check out. There is a full S25 Ultra playlist as well. ESR's privacy screen protector, it's the only one I've been using up to now, and currently really enjoying it. There's no damage to the phone whatsoever, and the screen still looks perfect. I've given it a good clean, and it looks fantastic. No fingerprint marks, no problems with the anti-reflective coating on it. That's one thing I did worry about, is obviously using sunscreen. I know that it can take it off and it can make it look all grubby. So that's one thing that it does concern me about being over here. So I'm glad there's a screen protector on there. Phone case of choice, I've bought two, and the one I've been using the most is this one. It is the Magbak Classic. I can stick it to any surface as long as it's metal. I can stick it to a metal surface and I can record video on it using the front facing camera if needs be, because I've obviously been doing some videos from the parks. The phone is nice and protected in there, lip running all the way around the edge, lip running all the way around the cameras, so it's fully protected. The other case is the Magbak Elite case with the finger loop on it. Really been enjoying that case as of late, but the one I always come back to is the Classic. But the Magbak Elite is still a great case with the finger loop and the finger pillow. But now, let me spin the camera around and I'll show you exactly what's on my S25 Ultra and how I've got it set up. So let's get into that right now. Okay, so here we go. So I figured this is a better way of doing it than me just throwing my face in the screen recording onto the side. I can show you exactly what it looks like. So I've got a weather widget at the top, so it can show me the days ahead, and it shows me what today is, and I've got thunderstorms possible after 3:30. I've got a Captain America, let's flip over, that's Google now, but I've got a Captain America shield in black and white with the cutout on it. Looks fantastic, and obviously it's a nice OLED wallpaper, so it does look good. On the bottom of my little dock right here, I've got my phone, messages, Google Chrome, which is me browser of choice. Google Chrome because it syncs across all my devices, so I've bought my MacBook and stuff with me, and I can search through all the Google Chrome tabs that I've got open. Gmail for on my email client of choice, and of course Instagram. You can follow me, there's links in the description down below. Swipe over, there's a second page, and this is where I mostly do everything. So you'll see from the app drawer there's not a lot set up in it. There's no like real folders. I keep everything on the home screen, so it's just easier just to go click and it's access. If you swipe across, I've got the month calendar widget. Always use this, stores all my calendar stuff, especially for work, etc. Got Twitter. I am on Twitter all the time, never off it. YouTube Studio, same thing, replying to comments. Waze is my vehicle navigation of choice. YouTube app, because you know, it's YouTube at the end of the day, it's where we are, isn't it? Pocket Cast for podcasts using this phone, but then I do use Apple Music as my music player. So I pay for Apple Music on my iPhone, and obviously MacBook, etc, and iPad. So then I figured, why not just carry on using it, because at the end of the day I pay for it, and it's nice to have the app over on Android, so it makes life easier. When I want to just carry one device, I can still have access to most of my Apple things. The only thing I haven't got access to, obviously, is iMessage, but I can live with that. Then you've got the NFL app. I follow the NFL religiously when we come up to the season and the draft. So I've got the NFL app right there, Lightroom, do all my editing, of course, TikTok. So that's basically how I've got it set up. If you swipe across, I've now got the Google Now feed. So it's just basically just an easy way, just to, if you're bored one day, you just swipe across and you're straight in. Not much else going on, nothing in there. My actual lock screen, this is how I've got it set up. So it shows me dual zones, because I'm currently in Orlando. Same T-Mobile, it's not who I'm with. Got a skyline of New York with the crosses from the bridge, and then of course easy access using the fingerprint. When you go into the app drawer, I mean, there's no consistency. There's like folders at the top, which it came obviously with this when you take the Samsung out the box. The only thing I really use this like side for Apple TV. I do watch a few shows on there. The Auto Trader, I'm currently browsing. I am looking for a car right now. If you know about the Focus going, if you don't, I'll leave it linked up here. I am currently in the midst of looking for a car. Booking.com, it's where I book all my hotels, my car hire. I always book directly through Booking.com. Flights is more Skyscanner. BP rewards, I'm out on the road constantly with a new job that I've got. So I use BP all the time. So I get the rewards from that. And it gets me Amazon vouchers, which is really good. I've got 2 calculators for some reason. Don't know why. I think it's synced from the Google Pixel when I bought everything over. Call of Duty Mobile, that is a must. Even if you don't game, and if you're just like a casual gamer, I recommend Call of Duty Mobile. Got the camera app right there, even though just double tap the power button, gets me straight in. Canva, I use Canva for all my thumbnails, etc. And I can use it on my phone. If you know, you know. I don't need to go into much of this. Discord, I do use I am on a few Discord servers. Dolby On, which enables you to record high quality audio directly to the phone without a microphone. So I use Dolby On. The EA app, Epic Games for the likes of Fortnite, but I don't really use it. Epidemic Sound is my music, my YouTube content music, and TikTok as well. There's a link down below for a 30-day free trial if you want to check them out. F1, Fox 35 News and Fox News, obviously for the Orlando side of stuff. Headball 2 used to be good. Olafly, I still haven't managed to get to check it out. It is going to be a full dedicated video where I check Olafly out, but it'll be on the Orlando channel and we'll see just how good it is. So Olafly gives you a eSIM for however long you want it for and however long you want the travel to be and which data plan you want as well. iHeartRadio, I listen to Johnny's House when I'm in Orlando all the time. Lens distortions, in case you want a bit of flare in your photo, you know. Not much else going on. Nextbase for my dash cam. NordVPN, I'm currently not using Nord, I'm now using Shark VPN. I don't know whether I can give you guys a code or not. If I can, I'll link it down below if you want to use Shark VPN. Pokemon Go, Prime Video, Premier Inn to book hotels. Rewards, the Google Rewards app. So I've currently got £55 in there. You can buy movies, apps, books, whatever you want. And you can have them on your phone. I got £100 free when I took the phone out. And yeah, it's worked ever since. So really been enjoying Google Rewards. And it gives you some nice like little tiny surveys to do. And you get money in that wallet. The Seahawks app, Safe Link for me safe back home. Shazam in case I need to know what's playing and I want the song. Speed test to check out what the network's like so I can do it from the hotel right here and show you. So if we click next, continue, while using the app, let's allow help build maps, let's go for that, next, allow all the time, go back, continue. Okay, so it shows Lowe's Hotel, Universal Orlando. If you click go, you'll see how good their internet speed is. Yeah, it's not amazing, but at least you can find out what the speed is, and you know you're gonna know what you're in for. If you do upload video, etc., like I do, then you're gonna know what you're in for when it comes to uploading a video, especially like this one that we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna edit it and upload it. It's gonna be from this hotel, but whether it's any good or not, who knows. SunPass is me transponder that's in the car for here, so I'll carry my own SunPass with me. There will be a dedicated video on SunPass on the Orlando channel for more. If you travel to Orlando a lot, then I recommend you give this SunPass video a watch when it gets done, because it'll give you some helpful tips. Surfshark is obviously the VPN that I'm using right now. I can get rid of Nord, but I do use Surfshark. As I say, if I do manage to get you guys a link, I'll leave it in the description down below. TFL Go for when I go, and TFL Oyster for when I go over to London. Travelodge, obviously hotels, etc. The Universal app for while I've been here to check wait times, and I'm with going to Epic, something that I definitely need to get myself around. Twitch and Tune Radio. VLC is my player of choice for when I put movies on my phone, etc. I can watch them. And then Xbox Game Pass to play some games. But other than that, that is about it for now. Things will change, and I'll bring you another video on how it's changed as we go forward. So there we go, that is what's on my S25 Ultra with the Magbak case on it right now. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, but let me know if there's any apps you think I should check out for the next video. Things will change because I'm going to be looking at using Good Lock to change the home screen and change all the clocks, etc. And then we're going to be looking for new widgets and obviously new apps and new ways we can customize this device, because I never really take advantage of how much you can customize a device, or like an Android phone, where you can't with an Apple iPhone, which we know. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and let me know if there's anything you think I should check out. Make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. For now, guys, I'm heading out into the sun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on. And I'll see you all really soon.